Mix plaster and place bowl on vibrator to remove air within the mix. Hold the impression tray by the handle and place the edge of the base of the handle on the vibrator. Dip the spatula into the plaster mix, picking up small increments and placing the plaster in the impression near the most posterior tooth. Guide the material as it flows down from the palatal area. Continue to place small increments in the same area as the first increment and allow the plaster to flow toward the anterior teeth. Turn the tray on its side to provide the continuous flow of material forward into each tooth impression. Once all of the teeth in the impression are covered, begin to add larger increments until the entire impression is overfilled. Place the additional material onto a glass slab or tile and shape the base to approximately 2 by 2 inches and 1 inch thick. Invert the impression onto the new mix, making sure not to push the impression into the base. While holding the tray steady, use a spatula to smooth the plaster base mix up onto the margins of the initial pour. Be careful not to cover the impression tray with material, or you will have difficulty in removing the cast from the impression. Separating the cast from the impression. Wait 45 to 60 minutes after the impression has been poured before separating the impression from the model. Using your laboratory knife, gently separate the margins of the tray. Apply firm, straight, upward pressure on the handle of the tray to remove the impression. If the tray does not separate easily, check to see where the tray is still attached to the impression and continue using your knife to work it apart. Pull the tray handle straight up from the model. The models are ready at this point for trimming and polishing.